Number 1. 1994 Ford F150, price $9,995, with 190,000 miles on the odometer. It comes with a manual transmission and is powered by a reliable inline-six engine that runs on gasoline. The truck features a green exterior and a gray interior, giving it a timeless and rugged look. A significant amount of work has been done to restore and improve this truck. It has received a fresh repaint, with the cab corners and other bodywork fully addressed to ensure a solid structure. The frame underneath is clean and well maintained. Inside, it has been upgraded with a brand new seat, a new clutch, and fresh carpeting, enhancing both comfort and drivability. The wiring to the starter has also been replaced, ensuring reliable performance. On the exterior, both the front and rear bumpers are new, and the truck now sits on a set of brand new wheels and tires, improving its stance and handling. While the door panels do not match, this does not take away from the overall quality of the vehicle. It runs well and is ready for a new owner, with the title in hand for a smooth transaction. Number 2. 1997 GMC 1500, price $8,500, with 189,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and is finished in an attractive gray exterior with a blue interior. Powered by the reliable 5.7L Vortec V8, it runs and drives great, with no rust and a fresh, presentable paint job. The truck has been recently upgraded with new brakes and calipers, as well as a nearly complete overhaul of the front steering and suspension, including new rear shocks. It also has new spark plugs, and the air conditioning system has been refreshed with a new compressor, ensuring it blows cold. For audio, it comes equipped with a double DIN head unit, kicker door speakers, a Rockford Fosgate 5-channel amplifier, and a 10-inch Rockford Fosgate subwoofer, delivering excellent sound quality. Additionally, it sits on rear Riddler wheels with nearly new tires, providing both style and performance. Number 3. 1998 Chevrolet S10, price $9,999, with only 93,000 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with a smooth automatic transmission and powered by a reliable V6 engine, offering a solid balance of performance and efficiency. The exterior still features its original red paint, which remains in great condition with only minor signs of wear, a testament to the care it has received over the years. The gray interior is clean, well-maintained, and free from any major flaws, providing a comfortable and practical driving experience. This S10 comes with a clean title and shows little to no rust, making it a standout option for those in search of a dependable work truck or a solid platform for a custom build. Known for its durability and versatility, this truck is ready for its next owner, whether it's put to work, used as a reliable daily driver, or transformed into a unique project vehicle. Number 4. 1980 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, featuring an inline-six engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. It runs great, though the body is in rough condition and will require work, including repairs to the hood, doors, and other areas. However, the frame remains solid. The truck appears to have been repainted years ago, and while it lacks air conditioning, it does have a functioning heater. With its automatic transmission, striking orange exterior, and beige interior, this classic pickup makes for an excellent project vehicle or a great first truck for a high school student looking to tinker and restore. The price may increase as replacement parts are purchased. Number 5. 1972 Ford F150, price $5,250, with 127,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a 360 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, which has been professionally inspected to ensure smooth performance. The truck has undergone several recent upgrades, including a brand new clutch, throwout bearing, cab lights, carpet, back window, and floors, enhancing both its functionality and appearance. With its striking blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior, this vintage pickup retains its timeless charm while offering a refreshed look. Running on gasoline, it remains a solid and reliable example of classic American craftsmanship. Number 6. 1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,995, with 194,500 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior and interior both come in a striking blue color, giving it a classic and cohesive look. This truck has only been used for plowing the owner's yard, and its undercarriage remains in excellent condition, with a very clean frame. A brand new gas tank has been installed, and all 4 tires are in great shape. Recently, a new battery was installed to ensure reliable starts. The transmission fluid is in excellent condition, maintaining a nice red color. The front end has been thoroughly inspected, with all ball joints and tie rods confirmed to be tight and in good condition. Number 7. 1996 Ford F250, price $7,500, with 125,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a powerful 7.5L 460 V8 engine. It has a black exterior and a red interior, giving it a bold, classic look. Several upgrades have been made, including a repainted rear half of the frame, new rear leaf spring bushings and mounts, new rear shocks and mounts, new rear brake lines, new front and rear gas tanks with new straps, and new rear brake drums. The truck bed has welded in new panels, the tires have good tread, and the interior is in excellent condition with no tears in the cloth seats. Despite its strengths, the truck has a few minor issues. The brakes feel spongy and may need attention, the paint over the rear fenders is faded, and there is some rust on the undercarriage and body. It hasn't been driven frequently in recent times and is missing a hubcap, but overall, it remains a strong and reliable vehicle with recent upgrades and a well-running engine. Number 8. 1988 GMC 1500, price $3,900. It has a mileage of 79,500 miles and features an automatic transmission. It boasts a sleek black exterior paired with a striking red interior. Powered by gasoline, this truck has undergone several upgrades and replacements to enhance its performance and reliability. The vehicle has received new tires, U-joints, a fuel pump, ignition components, CV axles, brake cylinders, a master cylinder, and a brake booster. Additionally, the trailer lights have been replaced, and an aftermarket radio has been installed. A KN fuel filter has also been added for improved fuel efficiency. The engine, a 350 sourced from a pull-and-save facility, was installed along with a TH350 transmission when the mileage was at 35,000. More recent replacements include a brand new battery, installed in December 2024, and a newly fitted alternator. Number 9. 1969 Ford F250, price $9,500. It has traveled 115,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. It boasts a white exterior with a brown interior and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it is powered by a 351 Cleveland 2V engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission, with the possibility of being a 4-bolt main. The truck's interior has been refreshed with upholstery that is only 2 years old. It is equipped with a retrosound radio that offers USB, AUX, and Bluetooth connectivity. The carburetor has been rebuilt, and essential tune-up components have been replaced, including the addition of a Pertronix coil and points conversion kit. The exhaust system features a 2.5-inch side exit setup with an H-pipe and Flowmaster mufflers, custom-made by Rick's Muffler. Cooling components have also been upgraded, including a new aluminum water pump, radiator and heater hoses, an alternator, and a 2-row all-aluminum Champion radiator. Number 10. 1977 Ford F250, price $8,500, boasting only 53,000 original miles with full documentation to verify its authenticity. Equipped with a powerful 400 cubic inch gasoline engine, it starts up effortlessly, runs strong, and shows no signs of smoking. The truck idles and drives perfectly, making it a true head-turner wherever it goes. While maintaining its originality, this F250 has received several upgrades and new components to ensure reliability and performance. It comes with a brand new air conditioning system, still in its box, requiring only installation. A new fuel pump, a newly installed carburetor, and a relatively new battery contribute to its excellent running condition. It rides on durable Toyo tires, and the sale also includes all 4 original steel rims, preserving its classic appeal. The original seats remain intact, further enhancing its authenticity. Additionally, all lights are fully functional, adding to its well-maintained nature.